Invideo AI versus Fliki Ai. Which one is better for video creation? Looking for the best AI-powered video creation tool, Invideo AI and Fliki AI both offer text-to-video capabilities, but which one is the right fit for you? In this video, we'll compare how they work, their customization features, and pricing to help you make the best choice. So let's dive in. First, this is Invideo AI, and first of all, you're going to create an account in Invideo AI. So once you create an account and you'll be redirected to the dashboard, here you'll be able to see create AI video. So once you click on that, you can simply paste any prompt, and after that you're going to click on generate a video, and they're going to create a video for you. And now they're going to analyze how the video should be, and then they're going to think, and after that they're going to give it a title. They're going to prepare and analyze the content. So once they have analyzed this script, they're going to ask you the duration for the video. There are 3 options: 1 minute, 4 minutes, 10 minutes. So I'm going to make it 1 minute for now. And then you're going to select audiences, like whether you want the audience to be productivity seekers, AI users, or tech enthusiasts, so that the video can align with their perspective. So I'm going to click on tech enthusiasts. And then we have platform, like what type of platform you want that to be, whether you want it to be a YouTube video, an Instagram reel, a YouTube short. So I'm going to let it be YouTube, and then you're going to click on continue. Or you can also edit prompt, such as you want to make some changes in the script, you can do that. And after that, they're going to analyze the video, and they're going to notify you when it's ready. And once the video has been created, you can preview it. Like you can see that the video has been created, and you can simply preview it and check like if it's good, or if you wish to edit it, you can simply click on edit and make some changes into it. For example, if you want these videos to be there, or you wish to upload any media or anything, you can simply save those changes into this video, and then you can simply click on generate if you wish to like write down any command, like make this chapter half as long, it's too wordy. And after that, you can simply click on download and download it. Now let's talk about Fliki. Now first of all, you have to create an account in Fliki, and once you sign up and sign into your account, you'll be able to see something like this. So you're going to click on files, and then you're going to click on new file over here, click on idea prompt, and simply paste that prompt down over here. So I'm going to paste the same prompt that I pasted for Invideo AI, and then you can select duration over here. So you need to upgrade your plan to create video more than 1 minute, and here you can also drag and drop files to, or click to browse, and then click on next. And here you're going to select what type of video you want, whether you want it to be landscape, square, or portrait. So for example, I'm going to click on this one, that is landscape, and then you're going to click on next. After that, you're going to select the language and what type of tone you want the video to have. For example, I'm going to make it energetic, review, and then click next. After that, they're going to generate a script, and once done, you can simply click on next over here. So it's processing right now, and after that, click on next. And they're going to ask you for customization, whether you wish to upload any stock media, AI media, voiceover, anything else, and then simply click on submit, and they're going to process and analyze and create a video for you. So your file is being created, and you got to wait for that. Once the video has been generated, you'll be able to preview it over here, and if you wish to create any sort of changes, you can simply come to the settings section, and you can make any changes over here, or you can also upload any background audio wherever you want, and you can also customize every scene per scene however way you want. Now let's talk about the pricing plans. Now Invideo AI has a pricing plan of, it's free for 0 months, but you wouldn't be able to get generative credits, and it's only 10 AI minutes per week, no voice clones, and then we have plus, that is $28 per month, and it is built 336 yearly. Then we have max for 48 month at build 576 yearly, and it has 200 AI minutes and 60 seconds generative credits, and it has 1 users and unlimited exports. Then we have generated, that is $96 per month, and it is built at 11 $52 per yearly, and then you can have 200 AI minutes, 320 iStocks, and 15 minutes generative credits. Then coming to Fliki Ai, it offers standard plan for $28 per month, including 180 minutes per credit, and explore length is 15 minutes. There are different various standard voices, ultra realistic voices, and then coming to premium is $88 per month, so you can simply subscribe according to your own choice. So if you need automated, ready to publish videos with minimal manual effort, you can go for Invideo AI. If you want more control over voiceovers, narration, and script editing, Fliki Ai is a better option. So both platforms offer powerful AI video creation, so the choice depends on what fits your content style. If you wish to try them out yourself, links to Invideo AI and Fliki AI are in the description below. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.